New tornado warning.
Our storm?
Yep, just, yeah, that's exactly where it was. So if we go a little bit north in the freeway, we'd be right there.
Alright, let's go ahead north.
We got a new tornado warning for the eastern half of Peoria. If you are on the eastern half...
There's a county road out here, I'm going to take us down.
Okay, sounds good. If you're in Peoria, eastern half of Peoria, seek shelter immediately. Really, any part of Peoria should be in your shelter. Oh, we're stopped? This area is under a tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately.
It's Wednesday, March 19th. We're currently in western Illinois, with the main threat being tornadoes. Today's storm chase began with discrete supercells, which means storms are by themselves, that therefore gives the best chance of seeing photogenic tornadoes, because there's no other storms getting in their way, taking their energy. As we got into Peoria, Illinois, the storm system turned into a QLCS, which stands for Quasi-Linear Convective System. So basically a line of storms mainly producing strong winds and large hail. This storm was kicking up a lot of dust, as you can see. That caused a problem. That problem being non-storm chasers seeing dust being picked up into a swirl, which most time is just a dust devil, then leading to a bunch of false tornado reports. Now that the storm is in a line, it is starting to move faster and sandblast the side of my car as I try to escape the intensifying storm.
Wow, look at that. Is that a funnel right there?
Maybe.
Pretty sure.
I think that's just an inflow tail, but this storm has luck.
Wow.
During severe weather, keep these safety rules in mind. Move to a reinforced shelter ahead of the storm and stay away from windows and doors. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned.
Here we go, guys. Crazy thunder coming out of this. How long till we move? Not long, actually, that's the answer. Not long. We have power flickering in Farmdale.
Alright, let's move out of the way. It's tracking right at us.
Yep. Man, look at that inflow tail. Holy.
We might have to contact here in just a second.
Oh, I'm gonna be behind trees for a second, guys. Sorry. Hold on 1 second. Got trees blocking us. Next time we start or stop, we're gonna probably switch out the mics. that's not a good idea. There you go. We've got an review of it. About half a tank. It's been pretty good. Oh, of course it's turning. Sneaky. Thank you everyone for following, subscribing. Really appreciate how sending over to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. Hit the like button to show YouTube its appreciation. Get more views out over here. Make more people weather aware. Got a large storm following us right now. Large tornado warning cell following us. Got a conga line of chasers right here. You have a road to go north?
Yeah, there's roads up here to go north if we have to.
Okay. Get a view in 1 second, guys. Going through some trees. There you go. We're back. So going towards Indiana. It might eventually overnight tonight. It might eventually make that way over to Indiana, but it's gonna be a long time. Massive dust to the left, to the right of us.
Oh, yep, I see it.
Look at that dust right there, guys. A little bit of dusty NATO.
I don't know if that's outflow or if that's the T word. To me, it looks like outflow. All sorts of little dusty spin-ups along that line.
Hey, Mikey, get ready because we're coming. Rotation.
Here we go, guys. Really can only see with my rear camera on the stream. Looking behind really doesn't do anything, unfortunately. Oh wow, that view over to the right now is crazy.
Yeah, I got the dome and my window camera facing that way.
Look at that. Holy crap. I don't know if you guys can really see the dust that well over there. It's one of a lot of dust.
Just a heads up, we're gonna post up in Eureka. We got some like mild rotation going on up here. Just to confirm, do you have a tornado on the ground currently? Just out of curiosity.
We don't, but there is crazy structure and a lot of dust being picked up off to our south right now. We're heading along whatever this major interstate or road is, Interstate 9 or whatever, RTE 9.
Copy, thank you, sir. Just keep me posted, and then like I said, we're gonna post up in Eureka for just a split minute.
Sounds good. Yeah, we have an insane view on my dome camera on the live stream right now. Like double high shelf going on right now. We probably have some time to get out for a minute or two once we get to some high spot, like right up here or something.
Yeah, I think we just passed Freddy again.
Nice.